Yo, can I just say this? Some people say the key to life is love, and some say it's money, and one guy says it's fronting a rock and roll band or having a 57 Chevy in the garage with dice. But they're all wrong if you really think about it, because it's really water that we can't live without. Whether you're hiking the Appalachian Trail or working in a cubby in accounting or driving around in your Chevy looking cool because, hey, Gandhi lived 3 weeks without food, but he wouldn't have made it 3 days without water, which is why when NASA engineers looked for life on Mars, they weren't looking for traces of cereal, right? So we got some engineers of our own, of the Swiss kind, and said, look, you've done a great job with watches, but here's something more important to figure out, which is safe drinking water for disaster aid in hurricanes and floods and like that, and for armies off the grid, and yes, backpackers on the Appalachian Trail, and anywhere actually where there's a thirst for adventure or the will to survive a desperate situation, because all of our products, from nutrition bars to clean water systems, are survival tested in places where failure is not an option, because failure is dying. Katadyn, survival tested.